In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Read-Write extension for Chrome. So the first step is to download the Read-Write for Google extension. And the way you do that is you go search for the Chrome Web Store. And in the Chrome Web Store, we'll type in Read and Write. And it's a purple with a puzzle piece here. We'll add that app to Chrome, add extension. And once you add the extension, you'll have this little puzzle piece in the top right corner. When you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign in with Google. So you'll need to sign in with Google. When you click sign in with Google, it'll bring up your sign in. You'll type in your email address. Okay, once you get signed in, it's going to ask you to choose an account. In this example, I'm using Student 1, so I'm going to click on that account. It's going to ask you for permission to your drive, to use your drive. You're going to need to allow that in order to use it. Once you click allow, now you'll have your puzzle up here, and you can actually turn on your read-write for Google by clicking on that extension, the puzzle extension. Now the read-write for Google base extension up here will allow your students to use the text-to-speech on web pages. But if you want to use the tool on PDF files, you'll need to download the PDF extension as well. And the way that you do that is to, again, go to the web store. For Chrome, in the web store, we're going to search for Texthelp, no space, PDF. And the PDF reader extension will pop up. We'll add it to Chrome. We'll add the extension. And then you'll see up here it'll pop in. And mine keeps asking me if I want to turn on sync. I'm just going to skip that. I don't want that on. So now I have the PDF reader piece installed. And if I go to my Google Drive, and in my Google Drive I find a PDF, and I know it's a PDF because it's got the red PDF in the bottom left. I right click and go to Open With and choose Read Write for Google Chrome. That's going to open the PDF file in the text reader, and because this is the first time I've signed into this extension, I need to sign in with Google again. And your students will need to do the same. Once you do that, it'll link the two and they don't have to do that anymore. So now I have all the tools for my PDF to allow for text-to-speech by either click and play and allowing it to go through and read it that way, or by clicking on the highlighting tool, highlighting what I want it to read, and then clicking the play.
Multiple choice, identify the choice that best completes the statement or answer.
So that's how you get the PDF reader.